All right, hello guys, welcome to another episode of Degen Trading with the Future Web3. In today's video, actually, we are going to talk about how you are going to set auto buy and auto sell with the Trojan bots, which we call actually Trojan on Solana. So actually, if you didn't know what Degen Trading is, you can refer to our videos. We have a playlist in our channel. So go to the channel profile and then uh, click on click on our profile and then you will see the videos there and on that playlist. So without waste much of time, I'm going to take us straight forward on actually how to set up this auto buy and auto sell. First of all, you need to have Trojan on Solana, so you can go to your Telegram search bar and then put Trojan. So there is many Trojans, but definitely I'll leave the link of the actual original Trojan bots on the on the description of this video, so that people will not fall into scam, because sometimes some people they just going to use the one that is wrong, and then they will end up losing their money. So if you don't have Trojan on Solana, look into the description of this video. I will leave the link to this Trojan bot, and then you can try it actually with that. So first of all, before we even open the Trojan on Solana, you need to understand actually what is auto buy and auto sell. So auto buy actually is allowing that bot to do the trading for you. The bot will buy the token for you and will sell the token for you, but you are the one that will give that bot instruction. Actually, you will tell that bot what it's going to do. Maybe you put a filter for it, which condition, or what are the characteristics, or what are the behavior, or what's everything that you wanted like that token to look for before it buy a token for you. And then after that, what will happen with that token, and then it will sell. You can put like even stop loss, you can put take profit, you can do all those kind of things without wasting of time. So whether even you are sleeping, you are awake, your phone is switched off, you don't have network at the area that you are, you don't have charge on your phone, or you don't have data. So actually this bot can help you in looking for the potential meme coins. As meme coins has very, very volatility, so it's happened within a quick period of time. So if you have a good filter, actually in this video we are not going to show you the filters, but we are going to tell you how you can set up that auto buy and auto sell. So if you have a good filter, actually you can integrate that filter of yours, or that the strategy that works for you, into this bot actually, so that it will be automatically buying based on that filter that you give it, or that strategy that you give it, and then also it will sell it based on that strategy that you give it also. So what you need to do, I said that just go and search Trojan on Solana in your Telegram app. So I'm using computer, but you can use your mobile phone, it is the same thing. So search for Trojan. If you don't have original Trojan bot, I will leave the actual link of the Trojan bot here, and then link to the community, to my community. So just go and search it, and then click on it. So here it is. As you can see, this is Trojan on Solana. So look at it, it have over 877,000 members inside. So make sure, even if you are not using the link that I send you, okay, so make sure you definitely check the members of this. So first of all, you need to go to do, make sure you funded your this thing, and then don't worry, this is for the purpose of the video. Yeah, so you just click on these settings. You see settings here, so just click on settings. So if you click on settings, you can see auto buy and then auto sell. So let's start with the auto buy, because you must buy before you sell. So you just click on auto buy. So if you click on auto buy, so it have this functionality. So I will explain each and every one. So first of all, we have up, which means this feature is up currently, it is not working. So you need to click it to on it, and then it will turn into green and set on. So it means that this feature is on. So anytime that these things that you are going to activate happens, then it will go into what? It will go into buy you that token. So for example, you want to buy the amount of 0.2, you can click on this, to change the amount. So for example, if I wanted to be buying for 0.1 Solana, so I will just click on it and then enter the amount. So you see it updated. Buy amount, sorry, buy amount is supposed to be 0.1 Sol. Maybe I made a mistake, so it is here. And the slippage also, you can edit it. 35% slippage is too high, so maybe you can put it around 10 to 20. So maybe I'll put it 15%. So I'll keep it, you see, 15%. Minimum liquidity, what is the minimum liquidity of that token that you wanted to buy? For example, for me, I would say maybe 9,000 or 5,000 to 10,000, within that range. Maybe 5,000, $5,000. So that's the minimum liquidity, and then maximum, I can say maybe 30. That would be, yeah, 30. This is 3,000. Yeah, that's 30. So I'll put it maybe around 30,000. And then is the token re-announced? Means is the token re-announced, you understand? So you need to activate. If you wanted only re-announced tokens, maybe only the token that are re-announced will buy for you, so you will activate it actually, or you can leave it like this. So to buy only, it will consider this whether it is re-announced or it didn't re-announce. But if this criteria of minimum liquidity meets, and then it will buy for you. But I prefer always to go for the one that's re-announced. So you say yes, only the one that's re-announced. So auto sell and SL/TP. So from here we can even go to auto sell. For this one we have set it up, so we can go back actually if we want. But if we wish, we can even set up the auto sell from this part. You understand which level that dot token need to reach before it sell for us. So what you need to do is you have two options. You can go back, you see auto buy is on and auto sell is up. So we can set the auto sell from here, or we can set it from the auto buy, but I prefer to set it from here for you to understand much better on how to do it. So just click on auto sell. So if you click on auto sell, I already have this one that I put, which I said I wanted to, I just name it as a 50% profit. So for you guys, I'm going to start it afresh, new one. So we are just click on new. So it say tag name. This means the name of the this strategy that you wanted to use. Maybe I can name it as 1x strategy. So just click on 1x strategy. So you see the name is already this thing. So we have swap, we have limit, we have DCA, depending on what you do. So but here you just say add order. You just leave all this the way it is, and then click on what? Add order. So if you click on add order, so from there it say TP and then amount. So there is no SL. TP means take profits for those that don't know, and then there is SL, which is sell limits. Yeah, SL, that's it, SL, or stop loss, sorry, stop loss. Yeah, so here if we wanted to put take profit, maybe since we say 1x, so it means that on every 100% we wanted it to sell, so we will just click on this and then we set what? 100. So if we say 100, so you see 100%. So which amount? If you wanted to sell completely 100%, then you can put 100%. But we wanted to take initial, so we'll just pay 50%. So if this token that we just buy reach 100%, means 1x, then I wanted it to sell the initials. Means if you put $10 and that token give you profit of $10, which is total of 20 dollars, then it will sell that amount of token of $10 and then leave $10 maybe as a moon back for you. So this is the actual strategy that we just put. So what if this token go down? So that's it says TP again, it will not say SL, but we will use strategic to put SL. So for example, in any token, if token just go down minus 40%, so it automatically change this TP to SL, you can see. So if this token automatically go down to 40%, so I wanted it to sell how many amount? I wanted to sell it 100%, because I think that token is just going to rock. So this is it. So if this token reach 100%, I wanted it to sell 50% and then leave the remaining 10%, the remaining 50% as a what? As a moon back. And then if this token go down, means it is dropping, it is dipping to 40%, I wanted it to sell it all. I don't want it to lose my money. So with this strategy, actually you are trying to manage your own risks. So whether you are sleeping, whether you are awake, whether it is at the night or any time, so actually you can use this strategy, to trade, even if you are not available or even if you are not in the area that has network. The only thing that will stop this from trading is when you don't have the money in your wallet. But provided you have the money, this bot can continue to execute, whether you have whether you have network, you don't have network, you are sleeping, your phone is switched off, your phone is stolen, whatever happened, this bot actually will continue to trade degen for you. So this is it actually. For those that are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, try to subscribe, like, share to your family and friends. There is a lot of educative videos in this channel, and we are trying to come up with the more videos actually. And then I am very sure some of you are actually understanding what we are doing. So before I end the video, I have to advise you, always make sure after if the strategy is not working for you, so make sure to pause this all. So pause it all so that it will not execute. At the moment you click this pause all, so no any other trade will sell or will this thing. So the same thing for the buy, you have to go also to the buy section, auto buy section, and then stop it, you understand. So you need to click on this on, then it will turn into up. So you need to always try to do that, because else it will continue to execute this until maybe you will find yourself in profit, huge millions, or maybe in a huge losses. So try as much as you can to find a very, very good filter and to trade using this. Yeah, thank you so much. Try to join our Telegram channel also for pre-signals on degen trading.